Meet Krista LeGrand before gastric banding surgery back in March. And meet Krista LeGrand in November, 60 pounds lighter.
And it's just been an evolution in terms of going back to the gym, feeling good about going out, and just doing things I hadn't done for a while. Just getting on a plane, everything is a lot easier and less stressful. When you're overweight, that seems to be the forefront of all things. Everything is always a hassle.
Krista, mother of a 3-year-old and with a busy career as a veterinarian, is aiming to lose another 20 to 30 pounds before attempting to have a second baby. She is one of the first patients to use the new Norton Weight Management Center at 1000 DuPont Road. The multi-purpose facility is state-of-the-art in terms of weight loss centers.
So this building has given us the opportunity to consolidate our services, everything from free information seminars to post-operative to support groups, surgery, consults and follow-up, dietitian evaluations, mental health evaluations. We ask patients, what can you maybe do after surgery that possibly you couldn't have done before? And some of our features are now I can be the mom I always wanted to be. So the ability to be out and running with children or grandchildren on the floor playing, shopping in regular sized stores, and really even simple things that we still don't think of. Tying my own shoes.
And Erin says more patients seek their services every year. Research shows that 1 in 3 American adults is classified as obese with a body mass index of greater than 30. And obesity is associated with other severe diseases such as high blood pressure, type 2 diabetes, sleep apnea, heart disease, and certain cancers. Dr. Jeff Allen is one of 7 surgeons who perform gastric banding and gastric bypass surgery at Norton Healthcare's Certified Bariatric Surgery Centers of Excellence.
Morbid obesity is pandemic, and more people are having surgery, certainly in the United States and really nationwide. These procedures are designed for people who are morbidly obese, which means either they're basically 100 pounds over their ideal body weight, and metrically that corresponds to a body mass index of 40.
In a typical office day, Dr. Allen and his staff see up to 50 patients. Those who have had gastric banding surgery come in for regular adjustments.
And it's not really to scale because a person's stomach is slightly larger than that, and this is the band that goes around the top part. And what you see over here is simply a cross section of this area. And so initially when you hit the button, and you do a little bit of adjustment, it gets a little bit tighter, and you adjust it again, it gets a little bit tighter, and then one more time down here, you can see the lumen or the inside of the stomach gets smaller. What that means is food is slower to pass through here, so you have a feeling of fullness for a longer amount of time.
And each patient is counseled on how to eat correctly and overcome past behaviors following surgery.
It was a huge life changer, and I feel because I have the lap band, I feel I have a tool now that my weight will not fluctuate like it used to do, and I will keep it off long term, which is it's a stress reliever knowing that I've got this.
For more information on the services available at the Norton Weight Management Center, call 629-1234. Again, that's 629-1234. For Norton Healthcare, I'm Jackie Hayes.